As I mentioned, this is some recommendations we do consider when we are actually defining your mobile strategy, and these are the recommendations which we can follow, and I think that will help to make your applications secure. So again, it is the quadrant, strategies and policies. We have to create IT policies for the mobile security, like who can access what applications needs to be installed. So that's more important again for any enterprise. Security assessment on the mobile device and the infrastructure. This is again very much required, where you have to assess what platform provides, whether the platform is vulnerable to the attack like Android, what kind of platform securities are available, what kind of infrastructure is available like VPN and all. Then coming to the best practices, what we talked about, you can train the developers on secure coding practices. We have given examples that how the applications can be compromised if you store your keys inside the application, which can be used to hack the data. We also have best practices like something like threat modeling. Threat modeling is like try to exploit the application by the testing team itself. So we don't have to wait for somebody attacks on the application and then we find the solution for it. So the threat modeling is a concept used in testing, where the testers will exploit the application and they'll try to see is there any gap between in the security gaps in the application. Avoid storing sensitive data on the device. Obviously, this is more important. You can define like what data can be stored, what data can be available always online. So that also helps. There are definitely tools, as Dwarak mentioned, like memory leak tools. There are some other tools which can see like connection pools and memory profiler tools, which can see there is any memory leaks, and transaction level security you can maintain. Of course, the use of MDM for password protected sandbox and other policies, we can use it from MDM. And as a strategy, we should continuously evaluate the new and emerging threats which are there in the by the cyber criminals, and also assess the classic threats like Trojan and all. We know that those will be also there active, even though there are solutions available, but as we see the new mobile platforms, those classic threats also will become a big threats for any mobile applications. So with that, I think we are over with the security. I hope you enjoyed the session, and it was a very good discussion we had. We had got a lot of information from all of you.